Okay, it's July 19. Alis na kami. It's almost 4 a.m. Ready na lahat. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Kasi diba,
Hindi kasama yung dalawang bata. Hindi kasama si Aliona at si Ian.
pwedeng mag-print.
In na sila. Delta.
Oh, wow. Join the 50 club.
Okay, that's it.
You can sleep 2 hours on this flight.
Yay!
Yay.
Tingnan mo yung bag niyo. Maliit.
Hawaii. Other job you want to
Nandito na kami. I-travel ko rin. Very nice.
say hi. This is not mine. This is my dad.
Tita Koy. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Salt Lake. Oh, yan. Ping. Yan, pa-exit na.
How do we get out of here first?
So are we gonna rent the car?
Yeah, then we pick it up, and then we have to come back here.
So kuha muna kami ng shuttle, tapos lalabas muna kami dito sa airport. Tapos sa labas, yung ni-reserve ni Jeff ay nasa labas, yung bus or van na sasakyan namin. So kailangan muna namin shuttle. Eh, nasa.
It's pretty warm here, though.
It is so hot. Oh my gosh. It's been 100 degrees plus.
100 degrees? Wow! So yun, kukunin namin. Nasa lift na kami.
235 West,
Leave.
500, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So pupunta kami sa
It's actually a budget rent-a-car.
kukunin namin yung rent-a-car. Yung 15-seaters. Driver natin ay babae.
Drive to Yellowstone.
Oh, fun. It's beautiful. Well, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. And,
Do I believe him? That's not true, huh?
No, really.
He's not 50.
He is.
Oh my god.
Big,
Wow.
big kahuna.
Sell the recipe for the fountain of youth.
Fountain of Youth.
Oh. Well, thank you very much, Andrew.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice
Enjoy.
to meet you.
Thank you. Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you.
While I'm doing that, I'll print you a new paper. You guys can go ahead and sign. Super done. So I'm gonna put it at 180. Just give you a little bit of.
So, yan.
All right, away.
Okay, let's go. Co-pilot.
Where my wingman is. No, 5 days.
5 days.
Yeah.
Pills.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 days.
5 days. 5 days. So, check
So
natin.
let me just text them. We're on our way.
Yan ang aming service. How much per day, Jeff?
Huh?
180?
No, it's like $200 a day.
$200 a day.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not that bad.
Check natin. Okay, everything okay. Service
It's
natin.
good, no damage?
No damage, no damage. so good.
Damn. Freaking bus, dude.
Well, kompleto naman yan. So, sunduin na namin yung mga our passenger.
Hey.
Alright, me and Koy, second row.
You guys can like take your own row and sleep. You guys could sleep if you want. Wait, don't forget about Roy. Roy needs one too. Oh my god. You can put your bag on there.
We're driving on the Idaho.
But she's like
You're the vlogger.
Roy is the driver. First time driving a 50. Little tattoos.
Nightmare shift.
Here's Mrs. Ramos. There's Ms.
I
Garcia.
don't like nursing. So I would go, this is a headache.
So we're in Idaho where they make potatoes. Idaho potatoes, right?
Potato chips?
Yeah. This is where they make potato chips. What else is Idaho known for? So you see those mountains over there?
Going to Canada?
Canada, no.
Okay, katatapos lang namin. Tapos ko lang mag-drive. Ako mag-drive yan. Close it, Roy! Ihi na kami. Init. Init. For rent to. Oh, parang sa akin, no? Rukos.
Didn't look like it was.
Wanna go inside?
Something Megan, are they photographing? Yeah. We're all like sitting down. Oh, I like that. Or I like
Way at the mother's expense. Ang ganyan sa akin.
it's like it's cold. Oh, I should have bought my waterproof.
Roy is getting some ticket.
No, we need to go back there on the parking.
Yeah.
So we can see them. No?
Can I see Borno? Here! Jill! Jill! Ah, sila Angel.
It's got you what?
Roy, I like your hat. Saan mo kinuha yan?
Huh?
I like.
Made it.
What does that mean?
Yeah, it's like their
print shop.
You know what does that mean?
yeah.
Alright, ta. Balik na nila. Hindi ka na-return it. Ay, babalik nila sa baba.
To the left because women are always right.
Man, the left. Yes. Ah, send it to me. Stone. Oh, they have nice socks. For 18 gallons.
Malaki, madami. Yeah. O yan yung rapids, oh. There's a lot. There, you see the people? You guys river rafting. And then it looks like this is
Hotel here.
Yeah, it's cute. You could build the big whole barbecue. So there's a lot of people there. So you have to park because I guess the whole chickens.
So, dito na kami.
But we got the mobile.
Eh, nandito na kami. Get fighting, Roy. Aming service sa Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Okay, dito na tayo mag-i-end ng ating first vlog. So, see you tomorrow in Ilocos Pinoy.